Thank you for volunteering for the Summit Foundation to sell ducks for our annual Great Rubber Duck Race. This tutorial will show you how to sell ducks on our iPads when you get to your booth. Step 1. Turning on the iPad. Make sure the iPad, keyboard, and Square Card reader are fully charged. Turn on the iPad by holding down the power button on the top right until the screen illuminates. Turning on the keyboard. Slide the power button to on in the top right of the keyboard. Connecting the iPad to the Wi-Fi device. To connect the iPad to the internet, you must use a MiFi. Press and hold the top right power button to turn on the Verizon MiFi. The screen will turn on and you'll be ready to connect. For this section, you will need to open the Settings icon. Click Settings, click Wi-Fi, and click Other Networks. Search for the MiFi name in Other Networks. Click the Wi-Fi name and password button to see the Wi-Fi name ending in 1864 and the password for the MiFi. Click the matching MiFi name and type in the matching password from the device to connect the two. Once they're connected, you will see a check mark next to the MiFi under Settings. There are two main icons we will use during duck sales. The first one is the square icon, which is the white one on the left. That is the app that takes payment. The gray icon on the right with the S takes you to the sales website for duck sales. We will have both of these icons open in tandem in order to process a payment and make a sale. Opening the Square app, which is the app that takes payment. Click on the Square icon that looks like this. This will open the Square app. When it opens, it'll take you to the login page. Please refer to your login information at your booth to log in. Once logged in, it will open the point of sale platform that you will use to make sales. Connecting the credit card reader in Square. For this section, you will need to open the Square app. You will also need the Square Card reader. Once the Square app is opened, it will load and open to the Square app screen. If a reader is already connected, it will say so. I'll also show you how to connect a new reader. Click the hamburger menu that says More in the bottom right hand of the screen. Then select Settings. Select Hardware, and then select Square Card Reader. Select Connect Reader, and then press and hold the front circular button on your Square Card Reader until the lights flash orange. Once the reader and the app pair, you will see this turning circle. Click Pair, and then when it opens back, you click Checkout on the lower left menu to return to the main menu page. When you get to the main menu page, you can then hit the Home button on the iPad to go back to the main menu page and leave the app running in the background for payment processing. Opening the Duck Sales website. For this section, you will need to open the Sales icon. This will bring you to the Duck Race Sales website. Refer to the form at your booth for login, user, and password information. Making a purchase, completing a transaction, and getting ready for the next sale. To make a purchase, add the duck products you would like to sell. Here I'm going to add one kid duck, and you'll see it prompts you to add a name for that kid duck. So I'm going to add my son's name, Cohen. I'm also going to add a race duck for $5. And then to sell novelty ducks and other merchandise, increase the quantity of product under the other merchandise section in the left column on the bottom of the form. You then need to complete the customer info. So we need the name, both first and last name, the email, and the zip code. Those are all mandatory information fields. Please let people know that information is required to contact them if they win a prize from the duck race, and we never solicit or use their information for anything except the duck race. You then select Pay Now. Click Open this page in Square. It will take a little moment for the Square app to open. When the Square app opens to this page, you can either click Cash and collect cash, or you can swipe and insert the credit card. Have the customer sign the iPad and press Continue. Once approved, you can remove the card. Then click New Sale in the top left corner to get ready to make a new sale for a new customer. This will then prompt the iPad to open up a new tab on your iPad where you click Return to Order page. After clicking that, it will completely open a new sale page for you to make a new sale. This step is very important so as to not lose the last sale and payment.